What's good, guys? Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another mascot logo. Alright guys, so in today's video I got a Chinese dragon for you all to check out. This one I really wanted to do kind of like a wild style, somewhat organic, and just have more fun with it by using more detail and then just kind of being loose, I guess you could say. So, Chinese dragons usually have a lot going on. They're way more colorful, they're way more just details, and also there's usually like hair and just like strands of hair, and then these little things that kind of flare off from their nose. That's kind of the first part I focused on in Sketchbook Pro. That's what you guys are watching right now, the sketching process. One thing I wanted to mention, guys, it really doesn't matter what you use to create your mascot logos or logo designs. Use whatever you guys can. I had already been creating logos for about a year or two and then saved up enough money from making money off of logos already. And that was how I purchased my first drawing tablet. So I had already been creating logos professionally, so to speak. And then that's when I bought one. Originally I was using pencil and paper. If you check out like my first few videos on here, they were in pencil and paper. So yeah, guys, don't ever let something like that be an excuse and hold you back from, creating what you want to create. It's a real, not the best excuse, and it's only gonna hold you back and slow you down. So yeah, guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this Chinese dragon logo. It is up for sale. And there's also two versions, two color palettes. The first one was kind of taken from another logo project that I did in the past. It's like an NDA, so you guys won't ever be able to see it. So I wanted to throw it on this logo and see what it looked like. Thought it looked pretty dope, so that'll be the first end shot you guys will see after all of the speed art footage. And then the second one's kind of like red and like a greenish mint color. I actually sampled that from another dragon logo. Theirs was kind of pink. The colors are a lot more dull, and then the dragon obviously was completely different. But yeah, guys, again, I really hope you all enjoy this dragon logo. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section on which color palette you guys prefer. Honestly, I like the neon one, the first one you guys are gonna see, but the second one, the red one with the mint green, really works perfectly with the Chinese dragon theme overall. So yeah, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, guys, if you really want to learn how to create professional mascot logos, be sure to check out my upcoming course, my eSports logo design course. I'm partnering up with Logo Inspirations to bring that to you guys for the first ever eSports logo course. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the first link in the description of this video. If you're watching it when this video is coming out, most likely not out yet. It should be out very, very soon. It's still in the works. We're still working on everything like that. Be sure to sign up for early access in the description, guys, and also follow me on Instagram. Check out my stories for behind the scene updates on when it's going to be released. And if you're watching this video in the future, it's most likely already out. So be sure to check that description. Sign up if you guys are interested, and I'll catch you guys in there. So yeah, guys, that's it for me. Derek here from DaseDesigns.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big like, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care. Peace.